Steph and I'm one of the dietitians here at BJC Health. Now I'm always trying to encourage my clients to incorporate more veggies into their diets, but I'm often met with the remark that salads are boring and people don't know how to make them a bit more interesting. So today I'm going to show you some anti-inflammatory salad boosters that not only help to increase the anti-inflammatory potential of your diet, but also help to make your salad that little bit more tasty. Okay, so salads don't have to be your standard mix of lettuce, tomato, cucumber and onion. You can always make the base of your salad a bit more substantial and turn it into more of a meal. So one of the things that I encourage my clients to add to their salads would be a nice grainy or legume base. So something like quinoa is great because it has a little bit more protein and slightly more vitamins and minerals than something like your standard white rice or white potato, and it adds a really nutty flavor to your salad. Your legumes are great because they're really high in fiber, and so that fiber will help to keep you full for a really long time, but they also add a lot of texture to your salad. So some of my favorites will be the chickpeas and 4-bean mix, and these little mini tins are great because they're a single serving, so if you're just making a salad for yourself, all you have to do is drain one of these tins and add it to your salad. So another really great idea that you can prepare ahead of time is to roast up a big tray of sweet potato and just drizzle it with some extra virgin olive oil. And this is great because you can keep it in the fridge for a couple of days and just spoon some into your salad as you need it. And I actually like to use this Cobra Estate extra virgin olive oil that's infused with garlic, and they have a couple of different flavors as well, and that's just because it adds a bit of extra flavor without any extra preparation. So that's step one done. So now you have the base of your salad that's a bit more substantial, adds a bit more fiber and a bit more flavor, and then the next step is to fill up your salad with lots and lots of veggies. So as a rule, I like to try and incorporate at least 3 different types of veggies into my salad. And I like to make sure that there's at least 3 different colors in every meal. And the reason is that each of your different colors of veggies will be associated with different micronutrients and antioxidants, and this just helps to boost the anti-inflammatory potential of your diet. So one of my favorite combinations is to have a base of quinoa, then add some roasted pumpkin, roasted zucchini and cherry tomatoes, and that makes a really nice high antioxidant, high micronutrient and substantial salad base.